Okay guys, we will tie the ponytail. Using this bun making tool, we will roll the hairs upward and fix it, and your bun is ready. Next, we will using this hair tool to make the ponytail. You can fix the tool in the hairs like this and your ponytail will be ready. You can get this tool easily in the market. Next, we will tie the ponytail, and then using the rubber band, we will fix the hair like this on the top. Tie the hairs like this, pull out the hairs. Now we will roll the leftover hairs and fix the hairs and put a beautiful hair clutch on it, and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytail and divide your hairs in two sections. Now fix the hairs into each other like this and make a bow shape on the top. Now we will take few sections of the hair and make plaits out of it. After we are done with the plaits, we will again divide the hairs into two sections and fix the hairs into each other as shown in the video. Follow this step for few more times till the end, and then tie the hairs to the end, and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Enjoy! Next, we will tie the ponytail on the back like this. Now rotate the hairs as we are doing. Now we will fix the hair on the top by folding the hairs and fix it using a hair clutch, and your beautiful hair bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back like this. Now we will start fixing the hairs into each other like this. Take few sections of the hairs from the sides and put them into the hairs like this. After it is done, we will put a beautiful hair clutch on the hair and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this and then rotate it after dividing it from the between. Put it in a bow shape on the top. Now we will fix the hairs like this by rolling it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie a ponytail and put this bun making tool on the hair. Now we will fix the hair into it like this. Now roll it around the hairs and then fix it, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.